Traditionally, everyone uses lead acid batteries, which work until they don't work.
The lead acid batteries were terrible.
We were, really living in the Stone Age.
I'd be out there thinking I had a full charge and get out on the water a couple hours later, I'm paddling.
Our friends constantly have issues with their lead acid batteries dying, no matter what they do.
The only thing that was holding us back was the type of power we had. We had to have a generator nonstop.
We've taken out 280 pounds of lead acid batteries. We now store 600 amp hours of energy in a space where we used to store 225.
It's true, man. Lead is dead. It really is.
Right off the bat, we wanted a battery that could be reliable on the road for many years. We've come up with a battery pack design that is unique and extremely rugged.
The Battleborn product line, mostly in the deep cycle applications. I know we're coming out with some newer stuff, but the product line is typically for RV and marine customers, off-grid applications, 12 volt deep cycle, 24, 36, 48 volt, covers the whole range. Also, we sell a lot of components that work really well with the batteries, a lot of things that have been proven to work in conjunction with lithium.
I could tell you all day long, oh, you know what, our batteries are the best batteries on earth. Well, I better believe that. But I can always also say, hey, don't take my word for it. Go to YouTube and type in Battleborn batteries and start watching some videos and see what other people think about them. You don't have to take my word for it. Listen to the customer.
What we really do take pride in is starting with the customer and hearing them out and what they need. And that's what's really helped us build this brand to where it is today, because we listened to the customers and what they really wanted and what was missing from other aspects of the market.
Our customers come in all kinds of walks of life, young, DIY, veteran, experts, engineers, and they like our product, and we try to help them implement that in their solutions. But we take a lot of pride in having the variability and having a battery and a product that can adapt to all kinds of solutions.
We take our customer service seriously because this is a big investment for a lot of people, and this is a company that strives in quality in every aspect of it. We want to be able to give you a good product and be able to help you continue to use that product to your advantage any way possible.
The reason why people like the fact that we're designed and assembled in the US is because they know what type of care, thought, and precision that goes into building every single battery. The fact that we do it here in the US and we do it at our shop and we can actually go out into the warehouse and see them being built, it's just that kind of quality goes into every single battery, and I think people see that. It makes them feel confident about buying our batteries.
Well, the company is the people. These are folks that they come in and they believe in what we're doing, and they want to contribute to what we're doing. I think that's a really exciting environment to be around.
We're making big steps to, not only keep up with our demand, but also look at the future and figure out what other products are we passionate about that we want to build, and also what do our customers want us to build. We try to find out what exactly our customers are using our batteries for, and how we can better refine that product for future generations.
If I wasn't selling the highest quality product, I wouldn't be able to sleep at night. At Battleborn, at Dragonfly Energy, and make sure that it's built at the highest quality. And that's why we're able to stand by it, and our brands are strong because of that. And that was part of our plan from the very beginning.